steeper. If anybody can do it, Nathaniel can. We always use stupid little ways to make work interesting. Our boss doesn't like it sometimes because it's not too OSHA approved some of the stuff we do. We just mess around though. Like right there, you see the building. Try to get that ramp as steep as possible. If anyone asks what we're doing, we'll just say, oh, we'll try to consolidate the pile. That way we have more room to work with. See that? Nice. It's a lovely ramp. The dad's doing very good. So proud of him. Look at him. Look at him. Look at him. He's like a cowboy. Give me a peace sign. All right. That's a lovely ramp you made there. We gotta go steeper. Yeah, our boss would like some of the stuff that we messed around on the job, but like, we know we won't hurt each other and we won't break anything. We have our limits. Just for good fun to try to keep the job a little interesting as much as possible. We get pretty bored sometimes. You're a hero! Yeah? Time to go home! Everybody like and subscribe, please. Alabama Church of Comedy. Look at Lewis right there. Got him. Have a good day, everybody. Please join my channel, LMX Church of Comedy.